Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening Terminal now. Make sure macOS is recent enough, then press CMD plus space and type Terminal. Once open, run echo $shell to see whether you're in ZSH or Bash. This matters because config files differ. If you need Homebrew, install it now. This gives you many tools. Once done, check your path and permissions so commands run reliably. These quick checks prevent common permission or command not found errors later. Now you'll execute the core commands for everyday work. Start with lsla to inspect files and permissions. It reveals hidden items and mode bits. Then navigate with cd and create folders with mkdir, simple steps that structure your projects. Use nano for quick edits or open a text edit when you prefer a GUI editor. When a command fails for permission reasons, prepend sudo, but be careful. Sudo gives root power. Make sure to confirm paths before destructive commands like rmr. Finish by installing and configuring advanced tools, then verify everything works. Use Homebrew to install packages quickly. Once brew is ready, brew install git or node as needed. Generate SSH keys with SSH keygen t ed 25519 and add them with SSH add. Copy public keys using pbcopy for services. Finally, test commands and scripts. If something breaks, make sure $path is correct and file permissions allow execution. As a key tip, tail f/var/log/system. Log or use console to watch errors in real time and diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.